G'day everyone and welcome back to the channel. My name is Sean and this is RFDHobby. Now I do apologise, this is not a crafting video today. I generally lose a lot of subscribers when I do a video like this, but I just feel like I just kind of need to vent a little and explain myself and share with you guys how I'm feeling and how everything is going here. Now, as you know, I've last few years been pretty tough. Heart stopped, divorce, house fire, lost my best friend to cancer. This has been a really tough time, as you can imagine, and unfortunately everything suffers. Heart attack is a tough thing to deal with, it just makes you question a lot of things, and I guess it changes your perspective on some things, whether you want it to or not. Separating from a long-term partner is really tough as well. You have to adapt to a new view of what parenting or what that's going to look like. It shatters what you think your life is going to be. The same goes for the house fire. It's tough to lose your home, and a lot of people will just bounce back and say, "Oh, there's insurance. It's going to help relieve some of the tension." But I don't even know what else I can say about it. My living situation now is here in the factory. Unfortunately, it does have some loose panels on the roof, and it does leak a little bit. I am fine to stay here. It's okay. It's a great workshop. I have a bed. The thing it lacks is the basic amenities, for comfort, which is not such a big problem for me, but I do have my daughter that I take care of every other weekend, so that's a big consideration for me. So this is obviously not this is fancy homeless. This is not I don't even have a sink here, so this is not somewhere where I bring my daughter when we have our time together. There's always that consistent feeling of wanting to go home, but there's nowhere to go. So it is a little frustrating in that sense. And that's ongoing. I mean, it's tough. This real estate market in Australia is brutal. There's not a lot you can do. There's a lot of people in similar situations or worse situations than mine. So I'm not sort of here, crying for help or, asking for donations or anything. There's a lot of people that need support more than I do. But all these things really impact or have impacted my ability to, produce content and get satisfaction from the things I enjoy. It's tough. And these things will lessen over time, and I will find solutions to the problems I have. And I am very grateful for all the things that I do have, and the fact that I do have a roof over my head. Like I said, I do have a little bit of money in the bank to put food in my belly, but at the same time, don't be mistaken by it being a cool factory. Like I said, it lacks some of the basics, but it suits its purpose for me because it keeps me out of the rain. I've battled whether or not to release a video like this for a little while, but these are things I think about and deal with every day. So it is impacting my ability to produce any good content or any content really. I am still hobbying a little, but it is more for therapeutic purposes, and filming it at the moment is kind of secondary. So I do apologize for that I haven't been able to keep you guys all up to speed on my painting projects and things like that as I actually go through them, but I'm just trying to find my mojo, I guess. And I hope you guys bear with me. And like I said, I do tend to lose subscribers when I release these videos, but I do appreciate the supporters that hang in there. Thank you very much. But these are just some struggles that I feel like I need to get them off my chest and sort of explain to you where I'm at. All those events have their own impacts, I guess, and there's a lot of adapting I've had to do, and I'm still trying to do at the moment. So that's why it kind of impacts the channel as the way it does, and I'm happy if you guys have any suggestions or ideas, just drop me a comment. Appreciate that. You guys take care, and hopefully I have a new video out for you soon. Thanks so much.